This is the example of consecutive interior angles, and you can see 135 degree plus this angle lie at one side of the transversal line. So this will be equal to 180 minus 135, and the result will be 45. So here 45 degrees is the value of the unknown. Now here the 5 important points are mentioned. For every point P and every point Q not equal to P, there exists a unique line 1 that passes for P and Q. For every segment AB and for every segment CD, there exists a unique point E such that B is between A and E, and the segment CD is congruent to segment BE. For every point O and every point A not equal to O, there exists a circle with center O and radius OA. All right angles are congruent to each other for every line 1, and for every point P that does not lie on 1, there exists a unique line M through MP that is parallel to 1. So these are called Euclid postulates, and this is the example of, and this is the results for the modern formulation, and we have to keep these 5 important points in our mind. We will study results that can be proved usually using only the axioms of incidence, betweenness, congruence and continuity, that is all Hilbert's axioms with the exception of axioms of parallelism. Neutral geometry consists in all the results that can be proved in this way. Actually we are studying continuously the absolute geometry, and currently in the continuation of our lecture series we are doing some the conceptual learning, and also we are discussing very basics of the foundation of the geometry. These are the examples, and these are the notes upon the discussion held in our series. These are the corollaries. 2 distinct lines perpendicular to the same line are parallel. Consequence of 1, the perpendicular dropped from a point P not on the line 1 to 1 is unique. The perpendicular, the first is 2 distinct lines perpendicular to the same line are parallel. Okay, 2 distinct lines perpendicular to the same line are parallel. Okay, the same. Second is the perpendicular dropped from a point P not on the line 1 to 1 is unique. The meeting point will be same and will be unique. If one is a line, if this is a line and P is a point not on 1, then there exists at least one line through P parallel to 1. Here are some questions for your mind testing. If 2 lines are parallel and they are intersected by third line, then the alternate interior angles are congruent. Compare this statement with the alternate interior angle theorem. If 2 distinct lines cut by the transversal have a pair of congruent alternate interior angles, then 2 lines are parallel. We already discussed these points. An angle supplementary to an angle of a triangle is called an exterior angle. The 2 angles not adjacent to an exterior angle are called the remote interior angles. An angle supplementary to an angle of a triangle is called an exterior angle. Okay, the two angles no adjacent to an exterior angle are called remote interior angles of that exterior angle. We can simply see the result by constructing the transversal on the parallel lines. An exterior